Hey, what's up guys, it's Inka 4x4, and in this video we're going to cover the Anker Solix C1000. You can go into the comments, I'll post my review for the CX800 Plus that comes with these built-in lights. Again, make sure to go to our website, InkaOverlandOutfitters.com, where we sell everything from awnings, cooking gear, campers, recovery gear, and we have the best prices and fast shipping. We're going to test all these items that we have here, and I'm going to go over key features why this battery system is one of the best systems right now on the market. So you're not going to want to miss this. And then stay to the end. We're going to do the review in Spanish also. Entonces en este video vamos a cubrir este nuevo sistema de batería de la marca Anker y le voy a explicar todas las cosas que puedo usar con este sistema de batería. Entonces gracias por estar en este video. So to start off with, let's just go over the features of this. This is 1056 watt hours. It's a LFP battery. One key thing with these batteries is the life cycle. This is a 3000 life cycle. It comes with a 5-year warranty, and then it's also expandable. The difference between the C800 Plus is that this one actually comes with a port to expand it. So you can actually expand this to 2112 watt hours. So that's a lot of power. The size is pretty small. I'll put the dimensions up here. And the one outlet here that you can see, the surge, it has 1800 watt pure sine AC, and the load you could put on this one is 2400 watt on the surge pad. So this one outlet here, you get that extra surge if you're running something that needs to run at higher energy at the beginning. This will let you do this, and we're going to test all these items that you might use either for construction or whatever. Then they both have the hyper flash charging. You basically go into the app. These both have a really great app interface, and you select the option to do the fast charging, which will charge either of these Anker batteries from 0 to 100% in 58 minutes. That is really fast in comparison to a lot of different battery banks. And then you have 600 watt max solar input. Again, it's got the 5-year warranty and 10-year lifespan. So it's a 3000 life cycle, and it's got a 10-year lifespan. This one right now, it retails for $999. You may catch it on sale for $649, which is a great buy. Again, this unit is fairly easy to carry. It's got great handles. The ventilation they have here is really well, especially if you do the hyper flash charging. You can hear the engine, or not the engine, the fans kick on, which keep everything at temperatures, so everything's running smoothly. In the front of this, we'll just cover, you have your cigarette outlet. You could charge like a fridge. You have this really cool light here. I'll show you. We turn on this unit. Just press and hold. There we go. So press and hold. This one's at 90%, but you got this really nice backlight option that has 3 different settings. So it gets really bright. This is perfect for like camping. It's a warm light, so if you're camping, you're not attracting like too many bugs. You have 2 USB regular for cell phones, and then you have 2 USB-C. Those right here. And that the nice thing about these USB-Cs is that they also will charge your laptops. So this will you can go directly to your laptop and it'll charge your laptops. And you got 6 outlet here, 6 110 outlets. Again, the one on the end has a surge protector, and right now we'll charge our one wheel. We'll go through some of these things here, and I'll show you. Basically, this right here is pulling 100. It tells you right here 192 watts, 193 watts. It's charging this one wheel. One wheel has 2 separate chargers. This is their fast charger. So if you're familiar, this is the pint one. So kind of getting into these boards, especially when we go to events, to move around a little bit easier. So you can see that, and then we'll just start kind of loading stuff up and see where it cuts off. So this is a grinder from Harbor Freight. And you can see it powers that up no problem. Let me see what watts. So that with the one wheel, it's pulling about 500 watts combined. So it's doing that no problem. You might need a heat gun for something, shrink wrapping wire. So you can check out this here. So this actually pulls a lot. This is 1550 watts altogether. I was actually thinking the grinder was gonna pull more power. And you can hear the fans come on to the unit. So I'm gonna put that one to the side. We're not gonna make this a long video, but I'm just gonna show you the kind of stuff you can power with this. And this is a saw here. Let's hold this safely. I'm gonna cut my one wheel in half. So this right here was about 1880. And also charging this and the one wheel and the saw, and using the saw. So that's kind of getting to its max. So it's a 1800 watt pure sine, and then the surge is 2400. So any more than that, and it probably would have tripped this. So yeah, it's, we're not going to make this video long, but you got 6 ports, you got 2 USB, 2 USB-Cs. You could do up to 600 watts of solar. With this, you got the 12-volt outlet, the app that is super user-friendly. You got the expandable port on the side here. And on the front here, you have the charging, which I like the way they did the charging. It's a super generic plug. A lot of monitors, that kind of stuff use it. So if you lose it, you're not having to buy something like proprietary. They have a reset right here if it does trip, and then it's they have the solar panel connections here, which I believe is a DC90 or XC90 connection, which is very common. They also have really nice solar panels available. So yeah, this right here is the C1000. I like the size. I like the amount of power that it stores and that it's expandable. And I highly recommend this. We'll be using this with our Land Rover Defender, Jeep Wrangler and any other kind of vehicles that we use for overlanding, and we'll definitely have it with us. So I want to thank Anker for sending this out to us and letting us review this. And yeah, I'll if you want to stay for the next part, we're going to go over it in Spanish and just I'm going to show you basically the things I covered, but we'll just cover them in Spanish just to, there's a lot of Spanish speaking people getting into overlanding, and I highly recommend this. So, entonces, en este le voy a explicar el sistema de batería aquí, qué es lo que tiene. Aquí tiene los enchufes como de la casa de 110 voltaje. Tiene 6 de esos. Tiene 2 de USB regular y tiene 2 de USB-C para cargar como los laptops. Y después tiene aquí como trae los carros del cigarette outlets. Eso tiene también el sistema de aplicación que usted puede bajar en el teléfono de Apple o Android y lo puede controlar todo por el teléfono. También tiene una luz que es media como amarillo, que no atrae tanto los mosquitos, cosas así. Y tiene 3 diferentes programas que se ponen más y más bright. Y entonces aquí le enseño, tiene para cargar la unidad, tiene para resetearle y para el solar. El solar aquí usted le puede poner 600 watts, paneles de 600 watts, hasta eso coge. Entonces, con 100 watts, 200 watts es suficiente para cargarlo si están usándolo como para camping. Y acá en este lado tiene para agregarle una batería más, porque este sistema es de 1056 watt hours, pero si compra la batería adicional, le llega a 112 watt hours. Entonces, con este aquí tienen el 1800 watt pure sine inverter para todos los outlets aquí, pero para el último tiene un surge protector que le deja 2400. Entonces, si tiene como una máquina que coge bastante poder cuando empieza, entonces lo puede enchufar aquí en este que está fin, que tiene el surge, y ahí no se va a tumbar la batería. Y este viene con 5 años de garantía. Es una batería de 10 años. Tiene para cargarlo de 0 a 100% en 58 minutos, entonces menos de una hora. Nosotros usamos bastante este tipo de baterías para lo que hacemos con overlanding o camping con los vehículos, y yo le recomiendo bastante esta batería. Le quiero decir gracias a Anker por mandarnos estas baterías para testear. También tengo un video donde hemos cubrido el sistema 800 Plus, que la diferencia es que la batería es un poquito más chiquita, pero vienen con estos rechargeable linternas que están a rento en la máquina. Entonces, si quiere ver ese video, lo puede chequear en el description. Y con eso, gracias por estar aquí en este video. Ojalá le traigo más videos en español. Y puede ir a nuestra página overlandoutfitters.com. Ahí tenemos diferentes productos, patches, bolsas, refrigeradoras, rooftop tents, awnings, todo lo que necesita para hacer overlanding o camping. Y cualquier preguntita lo puede dejar en los comentarios y ahí le repuesto. Gracias y cuídense.